Hey there, it's Brittany, and I am back with Jesse James Bead's Magical Mystery Bead Box for August. I did take a peek. Normally I don't do that, but I got it yesterday, and I've been back-to-back busy, so I didn't have a chance to do my video, and I wanted to know what the theme was, so I cheated. But this month's theme, I didn't look at everything individually, so I could be a little surprised. So this month's theme is Autumn Woods, and I just love this little mushroom, my little owl. Everything on here is individually cute, like the flowers, the animals. I just am not a fan of fall. I just never liked it growing up, but if they put in really cool stuff, I can be persuaded to like it bead-wise. So, but first of all, the card is just so stinking cute. Whoever designed this, kudos, because it's just adorable. And then you turn it over, and it's like a nature guide. So it's like, who's ready for fall? Bead strand, little owl. I just love this. I think it's so clever. Falling leaves bead set, pumpkin spice bead mix, wood fire bead strand, red cap mushroom, and I don't know how to say that. Is it Amanita muscaria bead mix, mulled cider mini mix, moss and fern bead mix. I'm looking forward to that one, and stone pendant. So I think that's super cute. Like, that's just adorable. Here we go. Yay. We'll kind of pull everything out. So I'm seeing the bead strands first. This one is Who's Ready for Fall. So what do we have on here? Oh, look at that. It's a cute little antique brass owl. That's super cute. And then we have some black glass, and we have more of these lotus flower metal beads, some spacers, a cat's eye bead, another glass bead, glass disco ball, some little flower antique brass bead caps. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love that. And then boho bead in green. That's a pretty cool little strand. I mean, you could just turn that right into a bracelet, and that would be cute, and you'd be all autumned up and ready to go. I'm not going to do that, but I would. I mean, I'm going to try and figure out something really cute because I love these little guys. I love owls. Okay. Next, we have another bead strand. Which one is this? This is wood fire. And this is really cool. This actually looks like fire to me. That magma looking bead. It's a nice big boy crystal strand. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big crystals, and then some medium-sized crystals, and then we've got some coconut right here, some sheriff stars, some bead caps. It's a good filler bead strand. I love it. It's perfect. You can mix both of those together and make a really cute bracelet set or necklace. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we have the pumpkin spice seed bead mix. I'm getting more and more enamored with seed beads as we go. I'm not into weaving yet. I'm not saying it won't happen someday, but I'm not into it yet. But this is a cute little mix. Oh, wow. I love these. I love that. It's like an opaly, peachy orange. We've got like a coppery rose gold. And these are like a brown red. I'm not going to open these because you know they'll be everywhere. And then we have a matte yellow. This is a really nice mix. Even though these colors together don't make me happy, like each one individually is fantastic. It's the mix of the fall colors. It always reminded me of school, and I did not like school, so I think that's what's in my mind when I think of autumn. But anyway, so here we go. Those are really, this one's just gorgeous. I want like a big strand of really big beads in this exact finish. They would be gorgeous. Here's the stone pendant, and it looks like some kind of agate. Let's see here. Okay, yep, I think it's some kind of agate. I'm not 100% sure. I would probably dress this up a little bit. It's a very neutral pendant, but you can glue something to the front. You can hang something with it. This would be really pretty with some leather. Yeah, there's a lot you can do with that. And then next we have the mulled cider mix. Let me get a pair of scissors and we can look through this. Ooh. Okay, so we have a big pair I love these. And look, somebody told me once that the striations, if you can see those, it's really high quality glass. So you can see that. And I get to see that a lot in some Jesse James Beads crystals. Those are gorgeous. I love those. Definitely scream fall. We've got some little disco balls. We've got some cute little hishis. They're a little bit thicker than we're used to, and I think they're wood. Yeah. At least I think they're wood. Painted wood. They're really nice. I love them. And then we've got some glass pearls. We've got some ceramic beads. I really like those. Those definitely look like retro, vintage, fall. Definitely going with the theme here. Love these. They're so sparkly. So pretty. We've got some matte crystals. That magma finish. These are like little fabric drops. Cute. Those are cute. I definitely like this little mix. And then we've got the cage beads. We've got some matte glass beads. And some ceramic beads. I really like this little mix. It's not the color combo that I would normally go for, like at all, but I think it's a really good mix. Like I don't know, I just think this is fantastic. Like look, these ceramic beads and with these and then these guys, like these, I don't know why these are really making me happy. They just remind me of somebody's like grandma's couch. And I think it's great. I really like it. So, okay, I'll move that to the side. I already opened the package, so I'm gonna put those in a baggie later. We've got, let's see, we have the red cap mushroom mix, and we have the moss and fern and the falling leaves mix left. So let's look at the moss and fern. Really pretty greens. I love it. It's so pretty. So we've got some dark green drops. Really like those. We've got some crystals. These kind of are reminiscent of these. Oh, they're very close, if not the same color. So I could, actually, that would be a really pretty bracelet together. Really pretty. We've got, oh, these are cool. Some cubes, some wood cubes. I really like those. Some wood rounds. Love those. Some matte glass green beads. These mixes are great. Two little tassels. Like a greeny teal, dark teal. Some more ceramic beads. And it's great because I just got all those ceramic beads from that haul from Kathy, so I can mix those in with that. Some little different style crystals. Look at these little squirrels. Oh my gosh, with little acorns in their hands. Isn't that cute? They're so sweet, little tiny acorns. So then we have two sizes. We have an acorn charm, and then we have an acorn connector, and these are nice weighty pieces. These are so cute. These are so cute. I love this. Like, both of these mixes are fantastic. Actually, everything I've seen so far has been fantastic, but the mixes are kind of floating my boat today. Normally it's like a strand or a really cool piece of chain, but the mixes are making me super happy. And this one's so cute. This is the red cap mushroom Amanita muscaria. I know I'm probably murdering that, but I'm sorry, I don't know the correct way, the Latin way to say mushroom. Look how nice this red is. Let me spread it out a little bit. Look at these guys. These are some hot red crystals right there. Like those. We've got some two matte red glass beads. We've got some filigree drops that are wire wrap. That's kind of cool. We've got some more ceramic. I just love the ceramics. These are really cool. We've got this adorable pendant or charm. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. It reminds me of like a little fairy tale or like a vintage story or, you know, even like a video game. So cute. You know, I'm not a huge fan of these. They're probably gonna make it into my giveaway pile because I just don't use little tiny tassels like that. And then we have these cute fluted matte crystals. We've got some pearlized crystals. These are coated. We've got some bead caps in gold. Very cool. Some red luster crystal rondelles. Cute little AB luster on there. Some tiny, teeny, tiny leaves. Those are nice. I think these are like hematite. Yeah, those are hematite leaves. Very cool. And then we have some daisy spacers. And then 2 melon spacers. These are kind of heavier weight. Very cute mix. I think definitely my favorite thing in this mix was was this pendant. But out of the 3 mixes, I would say, wow, the yellow and the green are really almost tied, but I like the yellow just a little bit more, and I don't know why. I think it's just because this guy is so funky looking. And maybe my mood will change and tomorrow I'll like the other one better. And then last but certainly not least in this awesome box is Falling Leaves. Let's take a look. I'm seeing some yummy stuff in here. Oh wow, look at these. These are like high quality acrylic leaves, or they could be flames if you wanted to do them this way. I kind of want to do them that way. I'd have to drill a new hole, but these are cool. These are awesome. Haven't seen those before. Don't have them. Love them. I love these. We've got, these are so sweet, little wood drops. So you can make some earrings. Very cute. We've got a pendant. And I really love that they really didn't use any silver in this box. It was definitely geared towards fall. We've got some leaf filigrees, little charms. We've got some little more leaf charms, but these are gold. And then look at these. These are so cool. So I think normally people would use these as just like a pendant itself, but I would use this as a bail, a glue-on bail, because I mean, you could see the bail in the middle. You can absolutely just use it like that, but I could just glue it onto the front of this if I wanted to, or if I had a different shaped pendant, I could glue it onto the back of this. Well, I mean, the hole would still be there, but yeah, that's pretty cool. But if you had a flat cabochon or a flat bead or something that you wanted to spice up, absolutely glue this right onto that puppy. This is neat. I love this box. Okay, so my favorite things in the box are these. Absolutely these. This guy, because he's so cute. This mix. These beads. And these little baby dudes. So tell me what you think. Even though I don't love autumn, I love this autumn box, and I can work it into my everyday style that, you know, won't scream fall. So, but if you wanted it to scream fall, it absolutely could. Yeah, I'm definitely in love with this yellow mix. I love the mustards. Mustard is one of my really favorite colors towards this time of year. But let me know, what was your favorite thing? What would you do with some of these things? Stay tuned. I'm probably going to make something soon with this because I really, really like this box, and I'm trying to trying to get in back into my comfort zone. I don't know. I've been out of my comfort zone and making stuff that I normally wouldn't wear, but then I just end up not wearing it. So maybe we'll see more classic Brittany items soon. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you so much, and I hope you stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hey, cutie, what are you doing? What are you doing, bud? Hi, cutie. Hi. You gonna get in your bed? Oh, no? Yes? Maybe? Hi. You look so confused. There you go, bud. Good morning. Good morning.